Welcome back to Day 4 of Construction Safety Week. Today's topic is working safely at height. Roadbridge is happy to present the following video presentation covering the proper use of various safety equipment used while working at height. A massive thank you to Joe Callahan and the team at Hoistech for putting together this video demonstration for us.
I'm Joe Callahan, working for Hoistech. Today we're going to carry out a quick toolbox talk on height safety. Before working at height, we should have a risk assessment method statement and a rescue plan in place. The rescue plan should be in place in case any worker becomes immobilised following a fall from heights. It's important to select the correct PPE for the job at hand. The minimum requirements will be a full body harness with EN standard minimum 361. To fit the harness, we should fit it like wearing a jacket over the two shoulders. Bring the chest strap together, closing the chest strap. Bring through the two leg straps, connect to the buckles, ensuring that the adjuster is to the outside, which ensures the leg strap is not in twist. Once it's fitted, we should ensure that it's fitted correctly. Good indication is that we can fit the palm of our hand between the shoulder straps and through the leg straps. When working at height, we normally have two types of lanyards which we use in conjunction with our safety harness. This will be restraint, which would normally be used with an MEWP, or to restrain you from getting to a point where you could fall when working at heights. Normally found when used in an MEWP to restrain you from climbing out of the cage. So the second lanyard used will be fall arrest, which would have a deceleration shock pack if a fall occurs, which would take the load off the worker when he falls to decelerate the impact on the body. Very important when using this lanyard, it is 2 meters long, but normally there would still be 1.7 meters inside in the shock pack. So to be taken into account when working at height, to allow for the total length of the lanyard deployed and a safety distance. Commonly found on the end of most lanyards could be a scaffold hook, commonly used to connect to scaffold tubing, or carabiners, which can normally be connected to various different anchor points. The anchor point for connecting any lanyard to must be an approved connection point with various types on the market. This will be for masonry, can be drilled in, connected or fitted with parables. Whatever we connect to must be able to withstand 15 kilonewtons of impact of a person falls on that connection.
I'm sorry.
Also quite commonly used will be an inertia block or mini block. So the worker has an amount of movement when connected. Very important using an inertia block, it should normally be connected above shoulder height. If connected to the ground below the worker, if a fall occurs, normally it will just close, not arrest the fall until the worker has passed it. Please see the next video on the importance of selecting the correct PPE.
In this demonstration, We dropped a 220-pound mannequin only 6 feet. When the mannequin hits the bottom of its 6-foot drop, you can see the violent forces at work. Now, look at the difference when you incorporate a shock-absorbing lanyard. The forces on your body have dropped from almost 5,000 pounds to less than 900.
Join us tomorrow for our final day of Construction Safety Week as we discuss emergency preparedness and response. Road bridge. People, engineering, infrastructure.